let's enjoy some amazing cosplay of Sonic the Hedgehog's characters. This girl playing Tails is so pretty. Wow, her long wig and her fuzzy tail are so beautiful. I like how dedicated her Emerald's outfit is. Ah, she kinda looks like Mrs. Santa, only with pink hair. Whoa, what is that one? Is that a real animal? His makeup is very detailed and I like it. Wow, I'm very curious how he can make his hair like that. Oh, this one is cute. A real cute Sonic. Ooh la la, Rouge is so sexy. This Eggman looks like he's about to go on a mission. I don't know about you, but I always think silver is the coolest. Knuckle is so girly in this pic. Alright, hope you had a great time watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to us. That's it for today. See you guys!